Chapter 1. Our environment. The word environment is derived from French word environner, meaning to surround. That means environment is surrounding within which an organism exists. Components of environment. The various components of the environment can be categorized into two parts, that is natural environment and artificial or human-made environment. The natural environment, it consists of living and non-living things that occur naturally on earth. In artificial or human-made environment, it comprises the elements that developed as a result of interaction between human beings and nature. If we talk about the natural environment, it consists of physical elements or abiotic environment and biological elements or the biotic environment. Abiotic environment. The abiotic environment of physical elements comprises the inorganic or non-living things in the environment. On the basis of physical characteristics, it is divided into lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. These, along with biosphere, comprising our biotic environment, also called as the four realms of the earth. Now, lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid rock surface of the earth that makes the existence of plants, animals, and human beings possible. It provides us a space to build settlements, soil to cultivate crops and plants, forests, mines, and the various geological resources used for different purposes. Coming to hydrosphere. Hydrosphere, or the realm of water, liquid or solid, including groundwater, is extremely essential for the survival of all forms of life on the earth. Atmosphere. Atmosphere, or the mixture of gases which surrounds the earth, sustains life by providing different life-supporting gases. It protects the earth from the harmful radiation of the sun and regulates the temperature of the earth by making it inhabitable. So, the four realms of earth are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere, as I have said earlier. Biotic environment, or biological elements. The three realms converge to form a narrow zone of interaction which is known as biosphere that supports life. Therefore, it includes the biotic environment and also abiotic environment to a great extent. Biosphere. The biosphere is spread from the bottom of the ocean about 11,000 meters below sea level to the peak of the loftiest mountains about 9,000 meters above the sea level. The biosphere is home to all the living organisms, which include the producers, the consumers, and the decomposers, which are interdependent. The producers are also called autotrophs, such as green plants can prepare their own food using water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. Most of the other living beings are directly or indirectly dependent on plants for their food. These are known as consumers or heterotrophs. If we talk about consumers are of three types: herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Herbivores are those who eat plants and herbs. The carnivores are those who eat flesh, and the omnivores are those who eat both plants as well as flesh. If we talk about the decomposers, it includes the microorganisms such as bacteria, which cause the breakdown of dead animals and plants. As we have already known that energy is being transferred from one living being to another in the form of various food chains. So several such food chains link up to form the food web. All the food web are delicately balanced. If one link in the web is destroyed, all the other organisms will be affected. You can see the diagram of food chain. Here, the photosynthesis or the process is known, these are known as primary producers. On the second layer, it shows the herbivores, that is the primary consumers. Now, on the other layer, it shows the carnivores, secondary consumers or omnivores. In the topmost layer, it shows the tertiary consumers, that is carnivores. That's it for today's class. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.